Well, good morning everybody. It is September the 14th and I figured I'd make this video real quick and kind of add to the Baling video because I haven't had the time to get my Baling video edited and put up. I just been pretty busy in that, and this week I was kind of under the weather. But I'm feeling. I did have some issues. Of course, I had some issues with the tractor. Well, I mean, not running wise, but had some issues with the AC. The AC is not working on me, and which sucks. When I cut hay that not before that Thursday before Labor Day weekend, AC was running just fine or working just fine. I know this tractor actually. It gets cold enough in it and you can hang meat up in it. But for some reason when I went to bale, it just quit blowing cold and couldn't figure it out. So we tried to recharge it and it was just leaking it out. So somewhere's either a line had maybe rubbed a hole in it, because there was a motorcycle down the highway. But there was a, probably about 5 years or so ago, we had put a new pump and stuff on this, all kind of new system on it. Might have been longer than 5 years ago, I can't remember. But we had recharged it and just was leaking it out about as fast as you can recharge it. So I don't know, maybe somewhere, like right in there, and it may be leaking, or if there was a line maybe rubbed together. I don't know. When we get the chance, we're going to try to look it over, and of course we'll have to get up there. If I can remember right, there's 2 bolts. It's kind of dark in here. Of course it's early in the morning, but not now. But there's 2 bolts up there. You take them out and you pretty much lift that piece up and check underneath there, which is kind of a pain, but hopefully we can find it. And I'm really hoping like heck it ain't one of these lines that's going up in there, because if so, that's going to be a pain. Excuse my language, that's going to be a pain in the ass. But besides that problem, the AC going out and having to run the tractor with no AC or with the windows open and getting covered in dust and sweating, or pretty much a sweat box there. That was no fun. Of course, when I did the video, I got video of baling over at the other farm, baling at 10 acres, and I had the window shut. I shut the windows while I was doing videos because I was talking a little bit and stuff, and it was going to be loud, so there would have been no way you guys would have heard me over this thing with the windows open. But so I had the window shut, and I did try to hurry up and do the video of it, so it is going to be kind of a short video, because it was getting hot in there. Somebody, I think it was Wormhole Farming, if I can remember right, it's been a while. You were asking me about this tedder, because you said something about you had a New Holland tedder, and of course I need to unhook this thing. I still hooked up from that one weekend, or Labor Day weekend, I was tedding. But you were asking me if this was a New Holland or something. I really don't quite for sure know what, and don't ask me how to pronounce this, but I found the tag on it, which is right there. Maybe I can, without shaking, there. I imagine that's what it is, and don't ask me how to pronounce that. But yeah, I guess that's the brand, what it is. And my granddad's had this thing as long as I can remember. And it's worked pretty good. I mean, we don't really use it a whole lot. The only time we really use it, is when the rain, or when the hay gets rained on, like it did that one time, or last time when I baled all this up, or when I cut all this, it got rained on. I thought I was going to have to use it over there at the other farm on that 10 acres, but thankfully it dried up, because we don't like to ted any more than what we absolutely have to. And like I said, that's usually if the hay gets rained on pretty good and it's not drying out. But I guess it don't hurt to break the piece of equipment out every once in a while and knock the rust off, because it's been a while. I thought we was going to use it at the beginning of this year or back in June and stuff when it kept raining, but somehow we managed to dodge the bullet on that. I mean, well, hey there everybody. Out baling hay, and over here at the other farm, this 10 acres here, and of course the windows kind of a little dirty, but over here trying to get this bale. I'm just now on my second windrow here, and of course the AC in the tractor is not working, so I figured I'd do a quick video before I open up these windows and turn you all around right here. But I figured I'd do a little video before I open up the windows, and that way y'all don't have to hear the loud. Just look. Like I said, I'm just going to do a short video, and I know I'm eventually going to run out of net wrap, and going to have to change it over. Like I said, this net wrap stuff is something new to us. Still learning on about it. Still trying to figure out that thing, how that works and stuff, whatever. Because this thing, it's been notorious here lately about the net wrap goofing up on it, not working on it. Finally, you get to working too fine. But like I said, we're still learning. And yeah, I think that's going to be enough talking. I'll let you guys kind of ride along. And then I'm going to shut the camera off and open up the windows, try to at least get a little bit of air. That the net wrap goofed up on, and because I mean I don't know how well y'all can see, there's net wrap on it or a little bit. I don't know what really happened. I ejected the bell out whenever he told me to take the bell out, and then it started flashing at me to stop, and so I got out, took a look, and that's what I had, which I guess would be a good treat for the cows. But yeah, and I went down here and I still rolled up a bell and still having some issues, and sat here and messed with that thing for a while, and